It's hard to think that something as ordinary as doing laundry could pose a significant risk to your home. But if something were to go wrong with your washing machine, it could flood gallons of water onto your floor in minutes. Here are 4 simple steps you can take to help prevent a washing machine disaster. 1. Only operate your washing machine when you're home, so you can catch a leak quickly if it occurs. Consider placing a water sensor by your machine to be alerted of a leak even faster. 2. Find the shutoff valve to your washing machine and turn it off when the machine is not in use. If you don't have a shutoff valve, consider having a plumber install one. 3. Visually inspect the hosing and plumbing connections for signs of wear, corrosion, or breaks. Replace the hoses according to the manufacturer's recommended time interval. 4. Make sure the drain line to your washing machine is secure at both ends. If you're not sure how to do this, or if you see anything that may look problematic, consult a licensed plumber. Talk to your Travelers representative or independent agent today.